Hello? Hello? Earth the Moby Dick. Hello, what are you doing down there? Well, if that's it. I'm only meant to do track work, but I suppose I can bring you along. Don't care about the regulations anyway.
Good day, Duncan. Ooh. Hello. And then the walls are very past me. Yeah, they took me out. That's me in that too.
Alright, Duncan, that's enough. What? It's only been at least 2 hours. Yes, Duncan, but we don't have the room. Well, we can't leave her here. She's out of the water. She'll shrivel up and die. Oh, don't be silly, Duncan. We'll be back for her later.
Duncan. Wake up, Duncan. Chop, wake up, come on.
Don't just see I'm trying to sleep.
Yeah, I see that. You know what else I see? A random boat on the side of the line, Duncan. Up in the hills. Okay, you forgot about it.
Alright, shut your mouth. I'll go get her. Christ. Yeesh, you look terrible. Oh, my sweet giddy aunt. I swear this never happens to me. No, this happens every so couple weeks, Duncan. Oh, wow. Just expose everything about me, why don't you? Well, it's not really exposing if everybody knows, Duncan. Ah, is that so? You want to go then? I'm the one with the crane on, Duncan. Don't do it. I'll do what, you metal monstrosity of nature.